monster. We're going to draw a heart folding surprise.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun, and we hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies, but first, let's fold our paper. We're going to take the top edge of our paper, and we're going to line it up with the bottom edge, and we're going to crease it down the middle, and then out to the corners. Whoops, sorry. Bumped your paper.
It's fine.
Line it up. There you go. And then down the middle, and out to the corners. Good job. Then we're going to take the top flap and we're going to fold it back up to the top. Line it up and crease it down the middle. Oop, that's not quite lined up. There we go. And then fold it out to the corners. Next, let's flip our paper over. And we're going to take the top flap and repeat that same step. Line it up and then crease it down out to the corners. Then take that same flap that we just folded and open it up and then flatten it out. Then we can flip our paper back over. There you go. It should open like this when we're all done. I have a red piece of scratch paper we're going to put underneath our drawing paper. It's just red so that it matches our table, but you could use whatever scratch paper you have at home or in your classroom. Now we're ready to draw. We have our markers, but you can use whatever you have at home. You could draw with a pencil or even a crayon. Now we're going to draw half of our heart on top of the fold, above this fold, and the other half of our heart below the fold. Let's first draw guide points for the heart. We're going to draw a point in the middle of our paper, but I'm going to draw it right about there. Yeah, that's a good spot. And then we're going to go directly below it, and we're going to draw another point down here at the bottom. Now let's draw the left side of our heart first. We're going to start at the point, and we're going to curve around like this, like that, and then we're going to come straight into the point down here. Curve around. And then straight down to the point. Good job. Now we're going to repeat that same shape on the right side. Curve around. We want to try to make both sides look the same. Whoa, my paper started moving. And then we're going to come in to the point. Wow, good job on your heart, Austin. That looks awesome. Now we're ready to open up our drawing. Open it up like this and then flatten it out. I'll help you since you have your marker. You'll open it and then flatten it out so that it's easier to draw on. Let's start on the top, and we're going to extend this little line down and in just a little further on each side. And then we can draw a curve to connect those two lines together. On the bottom of our heart, let's do the same thing. We're going to extend each side up a little further. And then let's draw a line or a curve that kind of matches this line up here. I like turning my paper sideways. We're going to match this same curve, but down here, and I'm going to leave a little space on each side. We want to make sure that this curve doesn't go below the fold down here. We want to stay above the fold. This is where our monster is going to pop out of the heart.
Yes.
Yes. That's awesome. Okay, now we're going to come back to this a little later. Let's draw our monster next. We're going to draw two eyes. I'm going to draw oval shapes. Two ovals like this, right where the fold is, on top of the fold. Yeah. And then another one on the other side. We're going to draw a monster with lots of eyes. Let's draw a small little oval or circle inside of each eye. And then let's color in the big oval, but leave that little circle white. Let's add more eyes. I'm going to draw another oval. Maybe this one's a little smaller, just outside of the first one we drew.
So I can see better.
Yeah. Then we can draw another oval over here. I'm going to draw more highlights. We're just going to repeat the same step. And then you guys at home, you can change your drawings. You don't have to do it exactly like us. Maybe your monster only has one set of eyes, or maybe even more. Mm-hmm. Oh, yes. I'm going to add one more eye on top that's even smaller. So I'm going to repeat the same steps. If you need extra time, if we're going too fast, remember you can pause the video. Oh, that's perfect. Kind of looks like a spider.
Yeah.
Now let's draw the mouth. We could draw a really crazy mouth. I'm going to draw a big smile underneath all of the eyes. And then let's curve around like this. And I'm going to stop halfway back. Like you start coming around and then stop halfway. We went a little past halfway though. Then let's draw the teeth. We're going to draw U shapes. We could draw a bunch of U shapes connected. Maybe there's an extra one over here, or even more all the way across. There you go. And then we could draw the tongue. I'm going to draw a curve that starts here and comes out like this. Connect to the end of the mouth. And then let's curve around. Whoa. And then come back. There you go. Oh, I love it. And then let's connect right here. Let's connect the teeth down into the tongue. Next, let's draw the outside shape of our monster. I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to draw a zigzag line coming down this, and then I'm going to connect to the edge, right down here, to the edge of that line, the inside of the heart. You could draw some of the zigzags big, and then some of them small. There you go. Come all the way down. Well, it's a furry monster. Mm-hmm. And then connect in. Let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to draw a couple little ones right in the middle. And then I'm going to draw the zigzags going this way. All the way, and then connect in. That's awesome.
It's like it's coming out of an egg.
Yeah, it does look like, yeah.
Out of a heart.
Out of a heart. The last thing we need to do is connect the bottom of the heart right here and curve it into the monster. So it looks like it's wrapping around behind. Looks more 3D that way. You did it. Well, it kind of looks like a snow cone.
Yeah.
A monster cone. We did it, Austin. Oh, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yes, my favorite part. Let's fast forward one more time. But at the end, you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. Or you could color your monsters any way you want.
Yeah.
You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
We did it! We finished coloring our heart. Oh, I love that you have a little heart there. I added little wings to mine. Now you guys at home can add as many extra details as you want. Should we open up our drawings and show our friends?
Yeah.
Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, roar!
Roar! Hello!
We also added horns and a bunch of hearts on the inside. I think it looks really cool, Austin, and you did such a great job.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your folding surprise.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you take time to color your drawings and add even more things to the inside of your folding surprise. This would make a really fun Valentine's card that you could give to someone.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Roar!